You have only 3 experiments. No. कैसे 4? भाई 3 मतलब केसेस के साथ क्या कर रहे हो? Here अब 16 है ये हमारा. If 2 chords intersect internally or externally, their products of the length of the segment are equal. When 2 chords intersect internally or externally, then the product of the lengths of the segment are equal. Then the product of the lengths of the segment are equal. Let's try to understand what this means. Let's say these 2 chords meet internally, na? These are meeting internally or not? These 2 chords are meeting internally. We have nothing to do with the center of the circle. Let's say I have chord AB and I have a chord CD. These are meeting where? Internally or externally? Internally. What do I have to prove? You know, let's say they meet at point P. I have to prove that CP into PD is equal to BCBP into PA. What do I have to prove? So case 1, prove that, बहुत easy है, prove that AP into PB is equal to, अरे हाँ given, what is given? Chords AB and CD meet, intersect internally at point P. Given. What do we have to prove? To prove that PA into PB is equal to PC into PB. What will be my construction, you know? This will be the one which will solve all my problems. Join AC and join DB. Join AC and join DB. Don't write join AC and DB. That is means something else only. Join AC and join DB. ये दोनों को join करें. कैसे प्रूव करेंगे इसको? सब लोग देखो बोर्ड पे. Similarity. Similarity से कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? Look. Everyone? Now, can I prove? For this, we can use our theories. And can I prove over here? See, angles of the same segment. ये देखो, CV जो है ना यहाँ पे, ये angle of the same are कौन से हैं? CAB and CDB are the angles of this segment or not? Yes. So can I say this angle is equal to this angle? Yes. Similarly, if I take this segment, angle of the same segment हमने किया है ना? So this angle is also subtended by this segment and this angle is also subtended by this segment. So can I say prove these 2 angles are equal? If 2 angles are equal, then the triangles are similar by AA postulate or AA test. Alright? Similar है, वही तो बोला.
तो आप PAC and
ये दोनों छोटा triangle, बड़ा triangle. So what is my proof? In triangle APC and triangle AP, अभी देखो triangle का naming is very important here. APC and DPB. Am I right? APC and DPB. What do I have? First, angle CAP is equal to angle BDP. Why? Why? Can you tell me? Angle subtended by the same arc. ओके, सिमिलरली सेकेंड पॉइंट क्या होगा, एंगल ACP is equal to angle DBP, right? Very are you understanding? Angle ACP is equal to angle DBP. Why? Again, angle subtended by the same arc. Okay? Now, next point, what do we have over here? So, can I say third point, triangle CAP is similar to triangle BDP? Why? AA test? Correct? AA test? Clear? So, what will be my fault? Yeah. Okay. So if these two are congruent to if these two are similar to each other, what are the pairs that we are getting here? Similarity में क्या हम लोग CPCT करते थे क्या हम लोग? Corresponding sides of similar triangle करते थे. So what can I prove over here? Can I say over here PA? We can prove ना PA by PB. नहीं. What can we prove? PA upon PD. PA upon PD. Because these two are the corresponding sides, is equal to PC upon PB. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are not equal, proportional. Equal कहाँ से आया? You don't know, similarity क्या आता ही नहीं है आप लोगों को? Are proportional. If they are proportional, then can I do interchanging if I want? And I can write PA into PB is equal to PB into PC. यही proof करना था ना हम लोगों को? Proof करना था कि नहीं हम लोगों को? By cross multiplication I have proven it. Hence proof. Now let's do our case 2. Case 2 क्या होगा मेरा? When they touch each other externally. कैसे करते हैं externally touch? हाथ से नहीं. कौन बोला हाथ से? ये दोनों है मेरे. Are they meeting internally anywhere? But can I produce them like this backward and make them meet over here at point P? This will be by A, this will be by B, and I will also need, next, this will be AB and this is C, sorry. Right? Correct? So far, how do I prove this? For proving this, again I will have to make a construction like this or not, and I will have to join these two also or not. These two constructions will be needed and I am going to use, now see, here how do we prove these two triangles? Guys, please listen to me. How am I going to prove these two triangles similar? Similar prove करेंगे तो आएगा आंसर. कैसे करेंगे पता है? ये external angle किसका है? इसका है ना? So if this is an external angle, the opposite external angle is going to be equal to the opposite angle of the cyclic quadrilateral. Similarly, if this is an external angle, then this is going to be equal to this opposite side. So we should be able to prove this to be congruent, right? So let's start this. Given.
उससे भी कर सकते हैं ना, angle ABC is equal to
AB?
ABC.
क्यों equal होगा? PP. P is common side. Yes. Common angle. You can prove. कोई भी दो A को prove कर दोगे कर सकते. Given. What is given to us? Chords AB and CD when produced meet at P outside the circle. Ain't it? Next, to prove, what do I have to prove over here? Same thing. PA, देखो PA into PB होगा, BP into B, right? PA into PB is equal to PD और PC into PD. Clear? Okay. So construction क्या है मेरे? Can someone point it out? Join B to D and A to C. Okay? B to D and A to C. क्या जान करना था आपको? नहीं, कुछ भी किया हुआ नहीं मिलने वाला, क्योंकि डायग्राम भी आपको ही ड्रॉ करना है, कंस्ट्रक्शन भी आपको करना है. दिस इज वन साइडेड theorem. You only have to draw the diagrams, you only have to do the construction, you have to do everything. You have no one in your life. You are all alone. चलो, proof. क्या होगा मेरा proof? In triangle, what are the triangles that I will take? A, P, C and triangle. और दूसरा कौन सा ट्राइंगल लोगे बताओ? A, P, C and D, B, P. A, P, C and D and A are same ना? D and A. So we got to take D, P, D लेंगे कि नहीं? समझ में आया? Catch? ये बहुत important है. समझ में आया? यहाँ तक? What do I have? I have angle PBD is equal to angle base. PBD is equal to angle which? Acha, ACD, right? Equal to angle ACD. Why are they equal? Now reasoning. Reasoning is important. Exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral. ठीक है? फिर से ये ना करके I can also write angle APC is equal to angle BPD. Right? Angle APC is equal to angle APC BPD. या DPB. DPB होगा कि नहीं? D है बेटा. Why? Common angle. Common angle. Clear so far? Therefore, my third point is what? Therefore, triangle PAC is similar to triangle PDB by what test? AA test. Correct? So what do I get by AA test? अभी AA test से अगर similar है तो कहना इसे PB upon PA क्या होगा बताओ? PA can I say PA upon what? Guys, this is very important. Listen to me. PA, now everyone look, I'll get another color chalk.
PA upon PD is equal to
A upon
You are right.
PD BP upon
PA upon PD
is equal to PC upon
is equal to PC
upon PB.
Understood?
Yes.
So can I say PA upon PD is equal to PB
Right, PC
upon PB. Why? What can I say? Right over here, corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional.
See, corresponding sides of similar triangles.
No. सब लोग मुझे दिखा के जाओगे हाँ क्या क्या लिखा है? I will check it. are proportional. Okay. So can I say fifth point? PA into PB. PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. That's true. खत्म आपके केसेस वाले सम. सिर्फ 2 बचे.
मैम फर्स्ट में